Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Google Maps offline. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So, in order to use Google Maps offline, you need to go to Google Maps, click on the profile icon at the top right, click on Offline Maps, and here you have to download the maps in order to use it offline. So let's say I want to select my own map. So let's say I want to download the map of this location of this area. I just have to zoom out or zoom in order to download that area. And once you want to download this area, you need to click on download and then click on download now. So once the map is being downloaded, you will be able to use the map offline. So even without the internet, you just have to go to the offline map and you can still be able to find the location or the direction in that area. And once it's finished downloading, you will be able to use the map. So if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.